On.
Got him!
He's a good one too. Oh shit, Tim, you alright? You alright?
I'm good.
Well, that was an awesome session. I hope you guys are going to enjoy the video. I decided to hit up Redcliffe, in particular the Hornibrook Bridge. Never really fished it before. It's got a bunch of sand flats, a bunch of pylons, all that sort of stuff. The perfect structure for plenty of different fish. So yeah, Tim and I had an awesome time, and I think I'll be back to crank on some fish there. I don't know what the go is with this whole virus thing. We'll see what happens. I'm just going to try and stick locally, not travel too far, Sunny Coast, Gold Coast, anything like that. So, alright, that's enough talking, and yeah, let's get to the footage. That's it.
Oh yeah.
Straight away. Got him!
Got him! Oh,
yep.
a monster!
Yeah, I'm getting hit. Yep. Ew! Boys are on.
Oh, the jack? Oh, you look.
Oh, the boys are on here. I hope so. 5 minutes. Double hookup.
I'm terrified my brain's gonna snap, so can I please throw the net?
Wait, first one on Cranka crab for me? Big yes.
Oh yeah, first one landed.
Yeah. Oh. That's alright, good start.
Small.
Yeah, mine's not either, look. Tubby boy. Oh yeah, no, yours is good. Yours is a good one, mate. Got him!
Oh, it was. Got him down there. Oh, yeah. Oh, pull.
Good start.
Great start.
Good start. Okay, time to go home, we can go home. Yeah. Oh, that's through. Tim, we're in danger. We're in danger. Yes, we're in danger. What are you?
Places.
Oh, his baby. That's alright. I'll still take him. I'll take him. Little baby. Nunu holds up well. It's hard being the skipper and a good bloke at the same time.
Yeah.
Me, at the moment, I'm very unstable.
Feels very unstable.
Oh, he drove.
You just get snapped off.
Yep.
Hooroo!
Fucking shouldn't have said it. I just fucking yeeted him.
Hooroo!
Why the fuck did I buy 2 sand crabs and not like a dirty colour crab? Oh, he does. He does swim. Oh, Tim. Tim, first cast.
Get him?
First cast.
Yeah, the 1 inch grub.
Yeah. Got him! He choked it too. First cast. The secret? Freddy's 1 inch plastics. Sorry.
It's like piercing.
Oh yeah, I'm getting hit. Oh, come on. Yep.
Got him! She like 2 down straight to the road.
I locked him up. I had to lock this bad boy
Lock
up.
him up? Absolute f***ing donkey!
Ah. Okay, time to change.
I think I can flip on that. They're homed in on the little stuff. Might as well have put it on.
First cast.
Bullshit! That was out here!
He followed it.
What's this f***ing idiot doing?
He's a nice Brimbo too. See you, mate. Alright, next lure up. That might be a flatty.
Oh, it's doing very cool.
Oh no, it's just a nice Brimbo. He's just fat. Are you ready for the spawn, mate? Well, that was a fair while between drinks, a whole 20 minutes. Water temp is nippy degrees Celsius. Oh, there he is. Got him! Woo! Oh, he came off. Very, because I was like, oh, the crankbait fish. Shit, yeah, then I can change. Nope. Oh, yep, same pylon. Oh, f***'s sake. F***'s sake. Tim, we're on. Yep. Finally. You know what? I'm going to keep the crankbait on. Yeah. See you, mate.
Hey, Ray. Oh, you didn't see it?
Nope, but this is where I was getting hit. Yep. Oh, yep. Got him! Okay, we're staying on these ones. Oh, he came off. Nope. Yep, come on. Yep. Got him. Oh. What's going on? These hooks must be shit. I'm so getting copyrighted for this. Yep. Jesus Christ. Yeah, he's gone.
Oh, ping! Get
That was not a bream.
Could you put your fucking hand on the spoon, mate? What are you doing?
Look at that. Can you see it?
Yeah, he had you.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
Bream does not take that.
No, that first one.
Surely you know this song. Oh, yep. Oh, he's number. Yep. Got him! Crunched it, eh? Not huge fish today, but it's cool. Yeah!
That was dang. That's cool. Shit, yeah.
To the person in a ute that yelled out dang, God bless.
Dang! Hey, dang!
Did you hear that? Yeah, that was so good.
Oh, shit!
There she blows.
Oh my goodness gracious.
There she blows.
Thanks, dang fishing.
I'm just going to charge interest on it though. Oh, yep. Got him. On the SX.
Is that a jack? That'll never get old.
We're on here. Oh, it's Tarwine. Big old Tarwine. He's a decent bream though, actually. He wasn't missing that one. See you, mate.
Yep. Well, I mean, that's it. That's it. Got him!
Oh, Flathead. What the hell?
Oh, cute.
Okay, settle down. Or not. What did you do, you? God, I haven't seen a flathead in years. Oh yeah, little flathead. See you, mate. Oh, he hit the thing on the way down there.
Walk it off.
Oh, yep. Oh, come on. Yep, got him. Yep. Oh, chuck your crab in. There's like 6. And he's the biggest one out of them. Uh-oh. Okay. There's like 6 that followed him out as well.
He'd be high 20. And now he's dead. Oh!
Now I'm dead. Ow!
Incredible pain.
I am. There you go, look at that. The old silver wolf won't take long, I don't think. $5 cheapie. I got one in a purple colour as well. Dang fishing and bargains. Holy sh**.
What is the tide?
Oh, got him. He came out to the boat. He followed it the whole way. Alright. Well, that lure was done. No record breaker, but yeah, that's another lure down. Look at that. Oh, has it landed? Look. Oh, got him. Got him. That is just some BS. That's what that is.
Double look up. Double look up with the boy.
He hit the trailer.
Good size?
No.
Oh, did he?
Yeah. Oh. Hey, my trailer.
Oh.
That's a sign I'm changing to crank crab. Cranky danky.
40 more. Yep.
On. Double hookup.
I'm trying to get mine out of the way.
See, when you catch a fish on a lure, you just change. Pipsqueak. Another rat. Yep. Yep. Little tacker, I think. Oh, he's alright too. On the ghost gill. Hey, where are you going? Got him! Trebles and all. Oh. Oh yeah, he's 30. That's awesome. We're on here.
Oh, hello.
Oh yeah, he's good.
Holy
Yeah.
shit!
He's really good, dude. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
That's our sorry, mate. Sorry. 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 I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Jim. I'm so sorry. You see the bait up there? Yep, yep. Oh. Yep. Oh, he came off. No? Yeah, he came off, I think. Yeah.
Oh no!
Bag wasn't tight enough. It was too loose. Oh, yep. Oh, that might be a flatty. I think that's a flatty. He's just out in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna do a good net job on this one. Oh, he's good for the table.
How big? Oh yeah, 40s.
See, mate. Yep, he went off. He went off pretty well. Oh, yep, yep. Tango shad. On the tango. You blew up. There you go. Oh, yep. Oh. Yep. First cast. Not small. Boat flip. Oh, I should not be boat flipping him, but anyway. He's the biggest for the day.
Thick.
Thick boy. See you, mate. Thanks for playing. I'm watching your line. I'm watching your line. Oh, hit. See if we can get a double hook up on this pylon. Yep, yep.
Oh.
Yes!
Oh, holy.
Yes, son! Okay, time to change. Oh, somehow I still got a fish when I was nowhere near. And I'm out of crankbaits. See you, mate. Well, what do I do now? If we don't catch a fish in the next 2 pylons, I'll get a hit at least. Well, no, we'll go to the other side of the old mate. Oh yeah. Got him!
Get into him! Tire him out. Wait, that's not bad.
Yeah, he is tiring me out. That's what he's doing.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, he's good. He's a good one. Oh, he's starred. Thanks, mate.
That's pretty nice.
That's cool. He was just pinned. Good brim. Mid-20s. Yep. Oh, he came off. Yep. See you, mate. Hooroo, indeed. Yep. Double. Nah, Bream. Oh, another one bites the atomic. Yep. Just a wee fella.
The honey hole. Hold.
I must admit, the Bream are horny.
Sorry.
They got to be up to 20. Nah, 30s I reckon.
Watch the video.
Yeah, I reckon 30s. Oh. Oh. 2 and 2. Double? He's dogging me. Just give it to him.
Lock it up.
Oh, he came off. I know he didn't. Just gave it to him. He just ran at me. He didn't like it. Yeah, he's good too.
Yep.
Yes, sir. Oh, is there a guy here? Is there a guy here? Holy shit. Jim, you alright? You alright?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, hang on.
Did you get that on GoPro?
Okay, time to hit the road. We never thought that would happen. Anyway, meanwhile, I've got a fish still. And you're back into the game. How good's a shower? How good's a prime Pine River rinse? I don't know what happened there. What the f happened? I think I leant over to get the fish and you were leaning that side too. And we both tried to counteract it and it just f***ed it. Oh fuck, I hope I got that on. You sort of did. You kind of did like a good old Steve Irwin dive into the water.
I would have had to. Oh, God.
Little screamer. He's a good one too. See you, mate. And Tim's on too. Yep. Oh, yep. That's all I wanted. I just wanted one more. He's a good one too. They only had smallies this morning. See you, mate. No way.
What? It's on my line. Oh my god, damn. Oh!
Doubles! Oh, are we tangled?
Yeah, I don't know what's happened here.
Oh, yeah.
I'm over you.
Yep, we're good. Yep. Okay, he's gone. Gone.
Busted you.
Yep.
Sorry, mate.
No, not your fault. Not your fault. Oh well. Yeah. Gone. He was a good one too. Oh well. Well, that might be the end of me. I'll let you fish the next three.